AKARI kaunti-ini EMBU ni bamukirite MWAKA na njira ya mwanya baingi bao bagita makanisene na bangi irabune gwetera MWAKA jumweru MWINI na MUCIACA Newton KARISH uria nowe MCA wa ward ya Muminji utukubwa gukira narwa nawe agekinya rwimbo na mashabiki bawe mukawene jumwente riu. AKARI bakiuga barina WIRIGIRO bunene bwa gukura kiuchumi mwaka juju jwa 2024. Rita Mwaniki na Chionkuruki.
AKARI akaunti ya EMBU ni macerete miena ngurani ya gwikenia na engi makanithari gukungwira mambura makurugia mwaka muceru. Mwena wa Kampu Dunda andu engi ni macerire kuria magukungwagira na nyimbo cia gikeno wa vamwe na gukenerera monanio ma mbaruti na miaki ngurani.
Kwenye party ya KUUGA 2024 tumefurahia sana kwa hapa, tumefurahia kuwa watu wengi wametujoin tukaweza ku make this party a success.
Guku andu engi mari na mwirigiriro munene ati mwaka uyu muceru wa 2024 ni ukureta maundu mega makiria gukiroria utonga wa bururi.
We thank God for the year 2023 and we believe that 2024 will be good. The resolution is we want to make sure that we follow all the rules and regulations na Mungu atusaidie tuweze kuwa watu wa kufanikiwa.
2023 has been a good year with a few challenges, and I am glad that I have been able to see 2024, and I know 2024 is going to be filled with a lot of blessings. 2024 1st January being my birthday, I thank God for the gift of life, and I know that this year 2024 is going to be filled with a lot of blessings for me and my family.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya EMBU mbita warita Mwaniki wa Musiri.